Hi there! Welcome to this quick overview of a Gigastore platform. Gigastore is a platform that enables businesses to resell eSIM data packages. With a Gigastore, you can offer mobile data packages to your customer directly on your product, whether it's an app or a web-based platform. Gigastore offers a variety of mobile data packages tailored to your customer needs based on the coverage, validity, and the volume. Coverage provides you with worldwide packages, regional packages, and single country packages. Validity can be from 3 days to 365 days, and the volume from 10 MB to 25 GB. These eSIM data packages can be installed on eSIM-capable devices and used immediately in the supported countries. No physical SIM needed. Let me show you how it works. Gigastore operates on a credit-based model. This means you top up your Gigastore account with the credits, and as long as you have sufficient balance, you can sell any package. There is no need to repurchase specific packages. You simply set up your inventory and start reselling. Your inventory defines the packages you offer in your shop, and these packages in your inventory are available for your customers. For example, you'd like to sell worldwide and USA packages. You simply add them to your inventory and packages become available. I will go into more detail how to set up inventory in the next video. Gigastore gives you 3 options to sell packages. Point of sales. Using this, you can offer packages directly through physical or digital point of sales without any integration. API integration allows you to integrate our API into your system and seamlessly sell eSIM data. And the SDK integration enables direct installation feature for Android and Apple devices. For both API and SDK integration, we provide you with all necessary documentation, which you can find here. With a Gigastore, expanding your business by offering mobile data packages has never been easier. If you have any questions or need support, simply book a call with us. We are more than happy to help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.